Say to the delegate, as I answered previously to that question, yes.
One follow-up, Madam Speaker, if I may.
Delegate Davis.
Madam Speaker, so many of us live in Virginia Beach, and we have water majority around us. There's only 2 localities that allow us kind of exits through. But if Virginia Beach were to ban the transport of firearms in that locality, however, Suffolk allowed them to be utilized for on their ranges or hunting, does the delegate have a process by which I could get my firearm from Virginia Beach to Suffolk without being deemed a felon?
Delegate Price.
Madam Speaker, I would say to the delegate that I appreciate his example that exemplifies his previous question, to which I already answered. What I would answer this time and say is that the local leaders of those jurisdictions understand the region, understand how water works, and they together could get to an ordinance that they would want to keep them safe. As I said before, this is permissive, and they would not have to enact any ordinances, and there are several localities that have already expressed interest in having the ability to do this.
Thank you, Madam
Delegate
Speaker.
Davis.
Speaking to the bill at the appropriate time.
Delegate Davis.
Thank you.
Floor.
Madam Speaker, I appreciate the desires of the patron of the bill, and as many here, I come from local government, and usually appreciate the opportunity for local government to have the power over what fits them best. My concern here, Madam Speaker, is this patchwork of laws. Now, I'm not an attorney, but I keep hearing the term sometimes of entrapment, and I almost don't know how a patchwork of laws don't get created that almost creates a situation of entrapment for a law-abiding gun owner. I don't know what to do if my locality under this creates what some may consider reasonable gun legislation, but other localities allow more flexible use of firearms in their locality. How do I exercise that right in that locality if I can't get out of my own to utilize it there? Additionally, Madam Speaker, many of us may have this issue when we live in Virginia. We know what these laws are. But I can only imagine people flying into Virginia, tourists, those coming here to hunt, flying in here trying to understand all the different rules and laws that exist across all the different localities, to not find themselves opposite and outside the course of law. So for that reason, I would ask that even though this may be well-intended and I can appreciate local options, I would ask that we do not engross this bill, Madam Speaker.
The delegate from Newport News, Delegate Price.